Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If your Bluetooth Air device it's not working in Windows 11, so how to fix? So guys, first click to start and then click on setting, then click to Bluetooth and device, and after that you can see it, make sure it's turned on. Okay, and this is peer mode. Then next close it. Then next restart Bluetooth service. So click to start, type services, right click to run as administrator. Then restart the Bluetooth service, press B means Bluetooth support service. First open this, and if it is stopped, okay, so start it. But before that you have to select the automatic only, not select the manual and disable, or select the automatic. Click to start and then click to apply, and then okay, then select this again, and left hand side click on, you can see the restart options also there. So select this restart options. Okay, and second, Bluetooth user support service. So same, open it, click to start, select the automatic, and then apply, and then okay. So sometimes it's not working, no worry, but this service is very important for your bluetooth bluetooth support service. Okay, and then close it. One more, try to reinstall Bluetooth driver. Click to start, type device manager, and then open it. After that, find out the Bluetooth. You can see this is Bluetooth and this is Bluetooth virus. This is actual driver. Okay, right click to uninstall it. Click to uninstall, do not tick this, right tick. Okay, after that you can see it will, now it is removed from the driver manager. After that, click on action, then click hardware changes. Okay, and then it come again, then select again wireless Bluetooth, select the right click, and then update driver and update automatically, and then close it, then close. Then guys, next, reset the Bluetooth component via command. This is important for this. And then click to start, type cmd, and then right click to run as administrator, and then type this command. Okay, so when it is completed, then after that try another one. This is also important, same thing. First this will complete, then again you can enter the same window, otherwise you can open the another one. Right click to read an administrator, and then type sfc space scan now, and then hit enter. So both it will start one by one, do not same time. Okay, like it will start the percentage, and then it is completed. Then need to restart your system, and then please check it. Thank you.